the majority of our women have lost trust, whether that be with their parents, with a spouse or a partner, with the outside community. They don't have that peace. And until they learn to trust our community, our staff, each other, themselves, they can't really move on past that. And most, if not all, come in with some types of trauma from their past that are keeping them from moving forward and building that trust.
Okay. So you're building the trust, and I would assume that's partly through taking things away, but then seeing how they're interacting with each other and everything else.